Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned E300 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come out with the Sport line with a sports exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, black MB text interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of floor mats, premium one with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, USB ports, touchpad wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 37,972 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.